Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Asana portfolio views for strategy tracking, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, log in to your Asana account. Navigate to the home page or project dashboard. Select the project you want to add portfolio views to. Click on the Portfolio tab located at the top of the page. If you don't see the portfolio option, ensure you have a premium or business subscription. Once in the Portfolio section, click on the Create Portfolio button. Enter a name for your new portfolio that reflects your strategy. Add a description to outline the goals and objectives of this portfolio. Click Create to set up the portfolio. Next, add projects to your portfolio by clicking the Add Projects button. Search for projects you want to include by typing their names into the search bar. Select the projects you wish to add and click Add. After adding projects, customize the portfolio view to fit your needs. You can choose between the timeline, list, or board view depending on your preference. Arrange the order of your projects by dragging and dropping them within the portfolio. Utilize the filters to sort projects based on status, due date, or priority. Set up custom fields to track specific metrics relevant to your strategy. To do this, click on Custom Fields and select Add Custom Field. Define the field type and enter any relevant values for tracking. Save your changes to update the portfolio. For better visibility, share the portfolio with team members. Click on the Share button and enter the names or email addresses of your team. Ensure everyone has the appropriate access level, either edit or view. Regularly update the portfolio as projects progress to maintain accurate tracking. Review your portfolio periodically to ensure it aligns with your strategic goals. Leverage Asana's reporting features to analyze performance data. Access insights by clicking on the Reports tab within the portfolio. Use the data to adjust your strategy as needed for optimal performance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.